Okay, Young, so first lesson of a series of 5 that we're doing here. We're going to try to go through and kind of, I want you to hit some shots, but first I want to ask you like kind of what shot you're kind of hitting out there and that you're kind of scared of.
Okay, so I like to play like a nice little draw.
Yeah.
That's always been my go-to shot. Recently, I've been just having trouble overdrawing it.
I got you.
It's not that necessarily I'm pulling it or like pushing it and hitting a hook. I can hit it where I want to hit it. It just kind of keeps leaking to the left. Like it
Just
on
keeps
drawing.
overhooking a little bit.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
well just hit some shots and let me just take a look at it real quick. All right. So you get over there. So we got a ball that's hooking too much, starting on line but hooking too much. Let's go ahead and see you hit some shots. So good strike. You're a good player. Very nice. Let's do another one for me, okay? All right. Let's do it again. Kind of slow it down. We'll get back here and take a look. Setup looks great. Your grip's good. Good strike there too, bud. All right. So that's the one that kind of, and once again, not bad swings.
Yeah.
What I can kind of see from the first couple, and we'll go in and kind of dive in this a little bit when we get the video, but set up there for a second real quick. So as you take the club back, you take it pretty vertical quickly, and the club face, when you get to the top, go to the top of your swing, you'll get this trail shoulder kind of gets a little bit, you get a little internal rotation, this elbow picks up, which opens the club face. All right, as that club face opens, hear me out, face is open, you're trying to figure out how I'm going to square the club face up. So what we have is a timing-based golf swing that we need to understand and clean up that club face, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to give you in this series and what we're working on is how to kind of clean up the club face, because you're a good player, but we have some issues with the club face that basically is too open, and you're figuring out a way to try to shut it, and you're doing it by a lot of forearm rotation, and you'll notice too that there's you have a lot of weight. You can't basically pressure your lead foot and open up because of this face issue. So we're going to dive into understanding some wrist angles, understanding what the wrist angles we're looking for, and really clean up the backswing a little bit more, okay?
All right, sounds good.
One done.